Hey guys, just coming at you with a quick little unboxing video. So about 3 months ago in June, I decided to order a custom steering wheel from Nelson Racing Wheel. Finally got it. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We went with a special carbon fiber pattern, and it's really cool. So here's the wheel. Like I said, we went with the really cool carbon fiber, which is the box carbon, aka the Louis Vuitton carbon. I went with preforated leather. I did the unstitching, which is three color stitching. I did the sport, flat bottom, and flat top. And as you can see, it came out really nice. Much thanks to Nelson MT.